Hello everyone and welcome. The Zero Plus keeps crashing. Well, I'm here for you and I'm here to show you how to fix it. The first thing you need to do is check for updates. Ensure you have the latest version of the Roblox app or client. The next thing you have to do is check your graphics driver. You see, outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes, so you need to update them to the latest version from your manufacturer's website, e.g. NVIDIA, AMD or Intel. Next, make sure your operating system is up to date with the latest patches and updates. Then, clear your Roblox cache. If you're using a PC, delete the Roblox cache folder. Location may vary depending on your operating system. If you're using mobile, clear the Roblox app data or cache. If you're also using mobile, don't forget to update your Roblox latest version. Next, you have to close all unnecessary programs running in the background that may be competing for resources. Next, if you are playing on a less powerful device or experiencing performance issues, try lowering the graphics settings within Roblox. Next, you have to run Roblox as an administrator. So from the home screen, you can right-click the Roblox shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This can sometimes resolve the permission-related issues. Check for server issues. If the problem persists, check the Roblox status page or social media channels for any server-side issues. If none of the above solutions work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox. If the problem persists, reach out to Roblox support for further assistance. Now, as you can see, it is preferable or recommended to use your PC when you want to fix this particular problem. Now, don't forget to check for overheating. If your device is overheating, it can cause crashes, so ensure proper ventilation. Don't forget to temporarily disable your antivirus software to see if it's interfering with Roblox. Sometimes your antivirus software interferes with Roblox. If the issue is specific to a particular game, try deleting and reinstalling that game. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issues causing Roblox to crash. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to seek help from Roblox support. Do try all this and let us know in the comment section if it worked for you. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Have a lovely day or night depending on your time zone. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.